We are about to start learning goal 6, which is adding and subtracting mixed numbers with uncommon denominators. So really this is combining the adding and subtracting mixed numbers learning goal with the adding and subtracting fractions with uncommon denominators learning goal. We're just merging those together. Hopefully this will be a quick one, and if you have any questions, refer back to those videos. Okay, so first off, we've got the problem 4 1/3 minus 2 7/15. So immediately the thing that jumps out at me is 3 and 15. Those are uncommon denominators. So our little thinking guy here, he wants us to find a common denominator first because he knows that's what we have to do. And we've given you lots of ways to find common denominators, but the first one was can you turn one denominator into the other? And in this case, I can turn a 3 into 15 by multiplying it by 5. And the rule, whatever you do to the denominator, have to do to the numerator.
Yes.
So we just multiplied them both by 5s, which gave us 5/15. So that was our first step, was finding the common denominator. So our next slide, you're just going to see that rewritten with the common denominator.
So now we have this problem 4 5/15 minus 2 7/15. Now this girl right here seems a little confused because she's noticing, can we really subtract 7/15 from 5/15?
Right.
And unfortunately, I know. So unfortunately, we cannot. So we have to do some ungrouping, possibly, if this is the way that you like to figure this out. So we have 4 5/15, and if we ungroup that, remember that just means you're taking one whole and churning it into 15 over 15, basically. So now instead we have a 3 instead of a 4, but we're adding that extra 15 over 15 to get 20 over 15. So now, and once again, the only reason we do that is so then we can subtract. 20/15 minus 7/15 equals 13/15. And then we just do the same thing with the whole numbers here too. 3 minus 2 equals 1. And we get our answer right there.
Yep. And then the other method, if you remember, is to convert first, then solve. So in this case, I just converted, and again, I'm back to my original problem where I don't have common denominators yet. So I just converted first. 4 1/3 is 13/3. 2 7/15, 37/15. So I know I can turn the 3 into a 15, so I'm going to multiply both of these by 5. So I end up 3 times 5 is 15, 13 times 5 is 65. So now I've got these two pretty big numbers, these pretty big improper fractions, but once I subtract them out, I end up with 28/15. And then from there, you have to, again, convert to a mixed number because you always want your answer to be in the most simplified form. So the most simplified form here is having a mixed number, not having an improper fraction.
So now you just have one problem to try, and this problem, just one, that's it. So you just need to try out this problem. We have 3 1/2 plus 6 5/7. Now, just one little hint for you guys is that you can't do what we did before. Like our 1/2 can't easily be converted into a 7, as you can see. So you're gonna have to use a different
gets
method.
You to 7.
Yeah. So you're gonna have to try some other problem solving there. And we know fractions can be really pesky, but we know that you can do this. So
you can tell
good luck.
He's very irritated, isn't he?
Yes. Never easy.
Nope.
When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk. You're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.